live in Central Texas. I'm a military spouse and
y'all hear that? Y'all hear that pull and that pop at the end? Dang, Quita. God, dog, I don't want to believe it. Marcus, take that money out of that account right now. Marcus, get that money out that account right now. Please. Because she ain't turning herself in. She's not turning herself in. Mm-hmm. So, Quita, you're in danger.
my name is Dawn. I live in Central Texas. I'm a military spouse and a certified dog trainer. I've seen many commercials about Prevagen. The people in the commercials were...
Wait. Listen to this. Listen to this part. All right. And y'all tell me. Yeah, she's trying to hide. Y'all tell me what y'all think she's smoking. All right. Because I know how Black and Mild sounds when you pull it. I also know how a pipe sounds when you pull it. And I wonder what's in the pipe that she's pulling. I'm gonna play it 1 minute. Yes, because she told his baby mama T she better have him checked by a doctor. Ooh-wee. Danger. Y'all in danger, man. All right, but listen to this. Hold on. Let me see if I can capture it.
Lame. He a lame. He just like Short Dog. Y'all in the same boat. Y'all ain't never some fucking tricks. Y'all ain't here to help nobody. All you wanted was some coochie. I both of y'all, and you can't get it. I don't care. You're not good. You're not God's earth. Nigga, please.
My name is Dawn. I live in Central Texas. I'm a military spouse and...
Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that pull and that pop at the end? That definitely was a pipe. All right? Look at here. I'm not going to I'm not going to implicate myself for involvement back in the 80s. But doggone it. She pulled on that pipe. She pulled on that pipe hard. And you heard the crackling. And then you hear the... She pulled on it so hard when she took her mouth out that pipe, you heard a pop. Am I tripping? Turn your volume up and tell me what y'all heard. Listen.
certified dog trainer. I've seen...
Punk ass, bitch ass nigga. You ain't nothing but a damn trick. A trick. That's all you was. That's all you is. You just like Short Dog. Y'all in the same boat. Y'all ain't nothing but some fucking tricks. Y'all ain't here to help nobody. All you wanted was some coochie. I both of y'all, and you can't get it. I don't care. You're not good. You're not God's earth. Nigga, please.
My name is Dawn. I live in Central Texas. I'm a military spouse and a certified dog trainer. I've seen...
Did y'all hear that? Am I tripping, or did that sound like that was a glass pipe she was pulling on? And she was pulling on so hard, when her mouth came off of it, it would pop. Yeah. You're right. Hold on. Jen, that's what I'm thinking about smoking and taking a shower. The water, the bathroom, you just relax, you're at ease. But then again, hold on, somebody said it could be weed. Yep. You can smoke weed out of a pipe. Just one question. When have y'all ever seen smoking weed out of a pipe? No. She smoked her weed in a swisher. She get a wrap. But hey, we're just talking. Consider the price of admission over here. I don't know. I'm just saying it. That sounds like a pipe. Now, what was in that pipe? Could have been weed. Could have been something else. I don't know. And the shower going in the background, as well as the blacked out screen. Right? You done said you ain't got no reason to be fear for anything of your bonds not revoked, even though you moved. But now you're in a dark screen by yourself. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Heard it. The water's just running. She's not eating. Yeah, no, she ain't in no shower. No shower. Is that to maybe kind of take the smoke down? Get some humidity in the room? I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. Something stronger. Yeah. No, we don't really mess with the pipe for the doggone weed. All right. We don't really mess with the pipe for the weed. So we have, yeah. Some of us. Okay. All right. When you smoke green out of a pipe, you're going to cough. Kamiko reactions. Ooh-wee. Man, that was some good stuff. Yeah. And when you smoke weed, you hold it before you blow it out. Dang, Quita. God, dog, I don't want to believe it. Marcus, take that money out of that account right now. Marcus, get that money out that account right now. Please. Because she ain't turning herself in. She is not turning herself in. She got them crackhead ways. Danger. Could have been prepped. Wait a minute. Ain't with the people for we the people for. Hey, you ain't smoking no prep, are you? I don't know. You got this guy over there in another sector. He calls himself a pastor. He be selling prep. We need to ask him. Some people still do. All right, maybe explains why someone said she was in a trap house. Oh man, she hangs out with the smokers. Come on now. Good morning. Happy Sabbath. Happy Sabbath. All right, Gerald. Happy Sabbath. Yeah. Facts about that coughing. No coughing. She definitely smoked that pipe the day she had her eyebrows red. Yeah, I don't know what she was on when those eyebrows were red, man. That was wacky, wasn't it? Hold on. Jen, that was not right. That was not right. Yeah, those eyebrows are red. The hair was red. Somebody told her that looked good, I guess. I don't know, but that was wild. Y'all remember that? Quita. Oh no, that was Marcus's. That was Marcus' video. I want to see that picture, y'all. Hold on. That was Marcus' video. Quita. Oh, there it is right there. There it is right there. Hold on, let me share my screen. YouTube search. Right there. Whose video is that? 15,000. Yeah, that's the video right there. Let me see so. Yeah, Jen. The red eyebrows, the red lipstick. All right, got her nails done. Yeah, she might have been on something. She All right, Jen, we're gonna take your devices. All right. She was definitely on something. Oh man. Most snort. All right. Yeah, Miss T. I didn't want to lead y'all, with your thinking, but with the headphones on, it definitely sounded like I heard cracking going on, crackling like that. I'd be shocked if she wasn't a smoker. Consider how comfortable she is in that environment. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. It's been a blast. And